Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. A bit of housekeeping before we get started. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the like button. It's really appreciated. And press the notification bell if you want to know when new videos are coming out. There's lots on the channel. As we say, what are we doing today? Well, I'm making a bin store. But a really nice simple open. There's no doors on it. It's easy access. It's going to go in this space here. So a nice little bin store. If you've watched some of my other videos, you might recognise this. I've built this. That's a garden room that I've built. So yeah, there's follow-on jobs. From finishing that, then as often happens, you make something, you do a good job, customer likes it and says, could you do this? Could you do this? And it leads to stuff. So that's good, really. So it's important that you're always doing a good job in it, even just cause. But it's nice. I've now got a nice little simple bin store to make, just to make things a bit neater. So we're going to crack on with that. So as you can see, this is the space. It's just going to be across there. So we're going to have a nice little bin store. It's going to be about so high. And there's no doors, because if you have doors in here and all sorts of things going on, they're just going to get in the way. It's too small a space to have doors and things what we want. So it's going to be open with shelves. So it's just nice and simple on a nice day. Makes a change, doesn't it? There is good weather in the UK. Maybe. Fingers crossed. Anyway, that's what we're going to do, and that's what we're going to be building. We have a nice strong sturdy frame. Put a single shelf in there for various bits for the food waste and other things. A smaller shelf so you can smaller things underneath fit in there, and then a bigger shelf on top just so you get lots of more stuff on in there. So that's where this is just going to live. Now for the outside. That's a nice little bin store, just somewhere to keep everything. As you can see, just looking inside, as you can see, nice and solid, and just the outside's got shiplap, nice frame, sitting there just to store some bins. As I explained, having doors in this particular, there was a discussion, we've had a discussion with a customer about doors, and doors would, in this small space, actually would slightly get in the way with handling the bins and getting everything in and out. So so we've done a much simpler version of a bin store, but that's good. And I'm getting attacked by a flying thing. So thanks for watching. I've got a jaunty angle now, haven't I? Thanks for watching. That's been a nice little bin store thing build. There's lots on the channel. There's some other bin stores as well, and I've got a really big one coming up soon. I've got a much more industrial sized bin store I've got to make for a company. That's coming up. I'm actually starting that next week, so I'm sure you might see some of that as well. So but all sorts, so different again. But we look forward to that. Lots to do. This has been part of this bin store, has also been part of a garden room build, which go and check that out. And lots of other stuff on the channel. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care, everybody. Bye.